Setting pandas global default for skipna to false. For certain pandas functions, such as sum, cumsum and cumprod, there is an option for skipna which is set to true by default. This causes issues for me as errors might silently propagate, so I always explicitly set skipna to false. Doing it every time one of these functions appear makes the code look a bit unwieldy. Is there a way I can change the default behavior in pandas?
Option is not an option, yet. It seems there is nothing such an option to control this behavior. It is hard-coded. It could be a good idea for pull request. A simple solution. Probably not the best solution. It is a bit hackish, but it does address your problem. I am not saying that it is a good practice in general. It may have drawbacks that I have not addressed. You are welcome to list it in comment. Anyway, this solution has the advantage to be non-intrusive. Additionally, although it is a quite simple technique and it is pure PSL, it may violate principle of least astonishment. See this answer for details. Let's build a wrapper that overrides existing default parameters or add extra parameters. Then, we can decorate any function. For instance, then, the sum method of dataframe object has its skipna overridden to false each time we call it. Now the following code. Returns instead of automation. We can apply this modification to many functions at once. If we store those modifications into a Python module, .py file, they will be applied at the import time without having the need to modify the pandas code itself.
It perhaps not the best way, but I think you should modify the pandas file. 1. Find the pandas file. If you installed pandas with pip, it should be in the lib file, which is located in your Python installation folder. If you do not know where Python is installed, look it up on Google. If you didn't install it with pip, look up on Google where are located packages installed with your software, Anaconda or other. 2. Find the dataframe class and the method. The best way to do that is to do Ctrl+F or other letter to look for the method. 3. Change the default value. When you found the methods, change skipna equals true to skipna equals false. After you've done this, save the file and it should work. I hope I helped you smile.
Isso mesmo, senhor. Tenho que ser sincero.